got the brake light out on this 2006 Toyota Tacoma here. We're going to change it out. I want it to look like this one right here. So here's the tail light right here. So on the inside you have some bolts right here, and these are 10mm. I'm going to go ahead and take these out right there. So there's two at the bottom and one up here. Okay, we got those bolts out, those fasteners. I'll just pop the thing out. So it just pops out there. These little pop-it things right there, and then right here, those just go into the hole. So if it doesn't readily fall out, you're gonna just kind of pop it out there. And then here's where we're gonna put our new bulb in, right here in this middle one. So you just take these, turn it to the left, pop this one out. Okay, now just to put it back in there, just pop it in there and turn it to the right. I popped this top one out. That way it created a little bit more slack in here for this one. Like that. Pop that one in there. To the right. Well, it's that easy. Anybody can do it with just a few simple tools. And I hope this video helped you out. Really appreciate everybody watching. Yep. All right. Got some good brake lights now. Now we're just going to put those fasteners back in and we're good to go.